What's up, guys? If you've seen the last video, you know we've been struggling trying to get this axle out. Well, this morning we got a slide hammer from a friend, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this boot, try to connect that baby. We've never used one before. I'm a horrible mechanic. Let's do it. All right, kind of going into this blind. I never looked at a video for once. Yummy. Now, I don't know how to take that apart. Yeah, YouTube video time. Well, I can't find a video showing how to take that apart, but I'm gonna hit it with some brake clean. Try to clean it up a bit, and then I'm going to try and press them ball bearings out. If I can press them out, maybe the rest of it will fall apart. Well, it looks like it wants to come apart, but so far it's not coming apart. Oh my God. I don't know. We'll come back to you. Well, we'll give her one more go with the axe. Useless. Alright, I had the camera shut off because I wasn't making no progress, but somebody recommended turning that and prying it with a screwdriver at the same time. Roll it over to get the bearings out. So I'm going to continue with it, and once all those bearings come out, or a couple more come out, that cage should fall out. Then we should be able to use our hammer slide. Let's do it. I spent all day, all I did is come out this morning and cut the boot off. Then I spent all day trying to figure out how to get this out. And it's now like 5-6 o'clock. And finally I asked the right person. Shout out Christy Speed and Fabrication. He gave me the tip. All I did is pull that as far as I could, and then pry it with this little broken pry bar. We're gonna pry this one out. This, hopefully. There she comes, just like that. Now we're gonna keep on going. Okay, we've got 4 of them out, but we're still in a little bit of trouble. This one don't seem to want to move. Aha, I think I got her. Boy, I'm a mechanic. I'll make a mechanic one day, won't I, Timmy?
Yeah.
Oh, we might be in the business.
Hey, Moo. Good job.
Thank you. Just one more ball in here, but I thought that this whole thing would just pull out already, but it's not. Oh, there we go.
I changed them.
Jeez, I don't get it. That is not going to come out of there. There's no way. Oh, as I say that, it fell right out.
Yeah.
Who's the mechanic? Not me. But somehow I finally got it. Hell yeah. All right, we got this slide hammer from a friend. Another friend told me to put vice grips on it like so. Sent me a video. It worked well. Let's see how it goes. Things don't work well for this guy. Here's Matt. He's not going to want to miss this.
Come on, Matt.
I'm about to pull the trigger. You're not going to want to miss this.
Oh, I know what's going to happen. It's nothing.
Probably not strong enough.
That's it. Ha!
There you go. It's what I do. Apparently.
Oh, you got like.
Yeah, yeah. Celebrate good times. Come on. Not celebrating yet, man. Gotta get that thing back in there yet. Oh, I'm so happy I finally got that out. Took me all day to figure out how to get them bearings out. All right, we got this new axle from GAM Off-Road Solutions. Check out gamparts.com. Let's open her up, see how she looks. Okay, I won't lie. I might have already looked at it. Sexy. Old versus new.
They rust in there. That's what they do.
All right, I'm gonna put a little grease on here.
I want them rims and tires. The tires, anyway. You going drag racing tomorrow?
No.
Me either.
You think that's enough, or I need?
Yes, that's plenty.
That's plenty. Okay.
Yeah.
Buddy said this C-clip, if you make sure the opening is at the top, the axle will go in quicker.
There, now. There you go.
Golden. Oh. Decent.
Now you gotta line that one up.
Can't see it.
Whoa. Up in a little more.
Sorry.
No, down with your arm. Well, now in with your orange. In a little more. There you go.
A little bit more.
Smack her through.
Hey, hammer.
There you go.
Good job.
Just like that.
That's decent. Thank you, Dwayne. We'll put these screws on here. Bolts, nuts, whatever they are. Nuts. It's so dark I can't see what I'm doing. I'm pretty happy with that, pretty confident I can take that apart and stuff.
Take what apart?
This, what we just done, on my own. I feel like I can do it as long as I got all the right tools and shit.
Oh yeah. It ain't nothing to it. Just take it apart, pay attention to how you take it apart, and put it back together the same way. Lay your bolts out exactly how they go, put the nuts on the ends, and leave them lay right there. 1, 2, 3.
All right, it's the next day. It's getting down to the wire. It's Saturday. Race day is tomorrow. So we should be able to get this buttoned up. Just gotta get that hub on there. We gotta torque these bolts that we put on last night in the dark. Sorry about that. Oh well, it's not a how-to video. There's lots of videos on YouTube to show how that's done. Let's get to it. Borrowed the man's tools. I don't even know how to work it. He's coming over to show me.
Quite a bit. Yeah.
Had that one already tight. Perfect.
Yeah.
I made sure I put it, what you call it?
Concave out.
Yeah, that's it. Concave out. 184 foot-pounds, or 180, whatever. I'm not sure we got it pushed down, you say, on this one? Gee, it felt like not enough.
That bar long, right? Gets farther.
Is it not going to click again?
It will.
Okay. Okay, so first thing that I've encountered is this nut that GAM supplied. Seems a little big. Here's the stock nut. It's long. I can't get my cotter pin in. So I'm going to take that off and reuse the stock nut. I think that's got her. Let's get the wheel on. $90 foot-pounds. All right, it's time to fire this thing up, see if it's drivable. Big thanks to GAM Off-Road Solutions for providing the axle. We gonna make it to race day, I think. Just take her for a little ride, make sure everything feels normal, then it'll be off to the races. One hand driving, it's hard to get too crazy. Everything seems to be working good. Big thank you, huge thank you to GAM Off-Road Solutions. Check them out, gamparts.com. Wouldn't be making it to Dirt Fest without you. Same goes for anybody who lent a hand, tools, or some advice. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you. Hope to see you guys at Dirt Fest.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.